Hi boys and girls. Today we are going to learn how to subtract using place value strategy. A place value strategy. Okay, here we have 526 minus 345. Now, you won't have to put this here, the ones, tens, hundreds. I just put it there just to remind you. Okay, let's look at here. Remember that the number on top has to be greater or bigger than the number on the bottom. Can we take 5 from 6? Sure can. 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay, then we have the 0. Yes. What about the 2, which is 2 tens? Can I take 4 tens from the 2 tens? No. So we have to borrow from the hundreds. So we cross out. We're going to borrow 100, not 1, 100. So that would leave us with 400. And we're going to put the 100 over here because 120, 2 tens, and 100 is 120. Now we can subtract. We already took the 0. Now we have 12. You don't have to do the 2 take away. It's 12. 12 minus 4. If you can't remember that, what I suggest you do is on the side here, okay, count up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much is that? 2, 4, 6, 8. There you go. That gives us 8. See that? Or if you know 12 minus 4 is 8, that's good too. But remember, you start with 5, with the next number. You don't say 4 or 5. Okay, and then here's easy. 400 minus 300, what are you left with? 100. That was easy, wasn't it? Okay, let's try another one. Oh, this is going to be a little more difficult because I have to borrow a lot. Look at here. I need to take 9 from 5. Can I? No. What some kids do, they'll put 4. How do you have 4? Because they think it's 9 take away 5. No. This is you only have 5 here, and you need to take away 9. You can't. It's only 5. So we have to borrow. Oh, well, wait a minute. You don't have anything. Tens doesn't have anything. So we have to go over to the generous hundreds. Remember Mrs. Hundreds? She has 600, and we're going to borrow. So we cross that out and we put 500. We're taking away 100 from the 6, so that gives us 100. So we'll put it here because 0 plus 100 is 100. Oh, but we still have to, the ones place needs to borrow. We have 90 because 100 minus 10 is 90. And we'll put the 10 right over here. Okay? Now we could subtract. Again, if you don't know that 15 take away 9 is 6, let's see. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. See, I was right. 6. 0 take away 0 is 0. 9 take away 0 is 9. Then this is 0. 0. 5 minus 2 is 3. Good job. Oh, wait a minute. I'm not done. The answer, you could just read it across. Remember, this is expanded form. Remember that? Expanded form. And you could just either just write it that way, 396. Or, if you want to do the long way, you could do this as well. It's up to you in this case. Okay? Totally up to you. This is fine. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to show your work. Oops, right there. We're going to start off with 700. I'm going to leave a little space down here. I'm going to go a little further down. I should have done this with this number. 700. Remember, I put a space and I put a 20 and a 5. Then we have the 400. You see how nice and neat, relatively neat, that I'm putting the numbers? I put a little space, so I let them breathe. Then I have the 10 and the 6. And we're going to subtract. Hundreds, 20s, tens, and ones. Almost said fives. Can I take 6 from 5? No. And it's not, the answer is not 1. Remember that. It's not 6 take away 5. It's 5 take away 6. I don't have enough. So we have to borrow it to go to the tens place. And they're always willing. See? I'm going to borrow 10. 20 minus 10 is 10. So we put the 10 here. Don't forget to put the 10 over here. Now we can subtract. 15 take away 6 is 9. Again, if you don't know, or if you want to be sure, you just go 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Remember to stop at that number. Don't continue 17, 8, 16, 17, 8. No. You have to stop. Don't get carried away. Some kids do that. They'll count up to 20 and it's like, well, where are you going? Okay, so how much is that? That's 9. This is 0. 1 take away 1 is not 1. Be very careful. 1 minus 1 is not 1. It's 0. Then we have 0, 0. 7 minus 4 is 3. What's our answer? Our answer is not 3,009. No. You may have to do this. Put it in its place. Just be careful. Or you know that, okay, the hundreds place has a 3. The tens place has a 0. So you put the 0 here. And then the 9 goes right under the ones place. Got it? Let's do one more. $847 minus 468. I'm going to put this down a little bit. 847. See, I spaced it. Minus 468. I got to come up with better numbers. Okay. Now, can I minus 7 minus 8? No. Why? Why is that? Think about it. Yeah, because this number is smaller. I only have 7. Look, I only have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't have 8 to take away from the 7. So I have to, remember in that previous model, the pictorial model? Anyway, so we have to borrow 10. So 40 minus 10 is 30. That's why it was very important for you to learn that in 2nd grade with the hundreds chart. Okay, now I'm going to put the 10 over here because 10 plus 7 is 17. Remember that. Now I can subtract. Again, I don't know how it's 17. I mean, you want to use your fingers, that's fine. But if you really want to double check, you just go right here. 8, it's already 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How much is that? That's 5 and 4 is 9. You see? Don't put a 1 here because remember we're minusing. We're subtracting. Now this, I almost made a boo-boo. A boo-boo. I don't have enough. Look at this. Remember, this is smaller than this, so we have to borrow. Take away 100 from the 800, that makes it 700. Make sure you do this, and then you take the 100. Don't forget to bring it over. Trade it over there, because they need it. So now it's 0 here. Remember, it's 13 minus 6. Again, I don't remember. Or if you want to use your fingers, that's fine. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I stopped at 13. I didn't go 14, 15. Be very careful because some kids get carried away. They'll count forever if you let them. Okay. So how much is that? 7. And 0, 0. 7 minus 4 is 3. So on the hundreds place we have a 3. On the tens place we have a 7. And then the nines place we have, the ones place we have a 9. Oh boy. Okay, now I'm going to give you some problems and you're going to solve it this way. Don't forget, I want to see this work. I'm not concerned about the answer. I'm concerned with this. That way if you make a mistake, I could see where you got it wrong. Where the focus, was it subtraction or was it not regrouping? That's what's important, not the answer. I do not care about the answer so much. This is more important, okay? All right, well, you have a nice day. Bye-bye.